So today I have something really exciting for you. I am going to talk about Nothing Incubator 2025. So this is not just a normal competition that you are thinking of. It's a chance to win a big prize and get exposure and maybe even get a career opportunity with a Nothing company. So it is one of the coolest tech companies today in the world. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video because I will explain you everything you need to know about this company and what is the eligibility criteria in order to apply for this and how to apply, and also what is the structure that the rounds you have in this competition, and at last what the prizes that you are going to win it up. Okay, and also from my side I will provide you some of the important tips that might help you out in this competition. So, and have a small one request, that is, if you are new to this channel, so I don't tell you to subscribe to the channel, but just explore my other videos and how much it is helpful for you, then you decide that if you want to subscribe to this channel or not. Okay, now all right, let's begin with the first. Let's talk about what is this Nothing company is all about. So Nothing was started in the London in the year of 2020. So their big aim is to make the technology exciting again. Okay, so which is the most tech companies today make that look the same, feel the same, and also honestly a little boring as well. Okay, but Nothing wants to change that. Okay, so they are focused on the design and creativity part. So their products like Nothing phones will be transparent back and cool LED lights, and their earphones are made in such a way that people actually enjoy them by using those. So entire idea of this incubator, it is based on their theme, that is making the tech fun again. So this is the motive that they are want the competition to be run. Okay, now let's talk about what is the eligibility criteria in order to apply for this competition. So it is open for the students for the from the 62 selected colleges. That is nothing but that there is a list of the colleges that they have over here. So you need to just check your college that by searching here. If your name of the college is there, then you are eligible to apply for this competition, or else do not get worried or do not get something that there are other opportunities are there in my channel. You can just go ahead and check it over there. Okay, and you can only participate if you are a BTech students from the first year to fourth year. Okay, and integrated dual degree students from the first year to fifth year students, or a full-time MBA or PGDM students, all are eligible. This whatever I told, this all students are eligible to apply for this competition. So whether you are a first year or second year course, it doesn't matter at all. Okay, so if you are from a tech background or a non-tech background, anyone can be a part of this, but make sure your college is there in this list. That is the only main thing. Okay, if your college name is there in this list, then you are good to go for this competition. And let's talk about the team, that is how you need to form the team and what is the rules that are you need to follow in order to formation of the team. A team can be have nothing but from 1 to 3 members. Okay, that is you can go with the individual one or you can form the team up to 3 members, and all the team members must be from the same college. Okay, there is no other college that you are not at all allowed to select the team. Okay, and teams can have the students from the different years or a different specializations. Okay, and also only the full-time students can only join, not the opened up or we have the other degrees. Only the full-time degree is eligible in order to apply for this competition. You cannot change your team after the registration. During the registration only you must have to decide that this is the team, and make sure that team will be there throughout the entire competition which is end up. Okay, and remember that all the members should be present in the final round as well. So create your team wisely before you apply for this competition. Now let's talk about what is the competition structure that the Nothing Incubator is of. So there are of 3 competition rounds that we have. Let me explain you them individually. I will be telling out. So first round, it is nothing but the idea submission. So in this round, your team has to submit a one-page document where this document should be clearly explain your idea and how it can connect the theme of making the tech fun again. It should have to connect the theme that is nothing but make fun again. So think of it as a simple elevator pitch, a short, clear and creative part. So it should have to be in this format. Now the round 2 is nothing but the strategy roadmap, where if you are shortlisted, you will be going to the round 2. Here you need to create a 3-page desk where this should be including like who is your target audience and your financial projections and a 3 year strategic roadmap where it is showing you that how your idea will be growing and it is scaling up. So this is about like you're providing that idea is not just a creative, but also it is possible, it is in the real life. Okay, and the round 3, that is nothing but the grand finale. So in this, basically here you will be going to with a short video that is a 3 minute pitch about your idea. Like before the pitch you need to submit the presentation also in the PDF format. So in this round only the top 3 teams will be going to win. Now let's talk about what the cash prizes that you will be getting up in this thing. So the winners that they are going to win it up, a team that gets 2 lakhs cash in hand and a certificate also, and as well as each member will be getting a winning of that Nothing Phone 3. Plus there is also a chance for getting a job offer at the Nothing based on your qualifications. And the first runner up will be getting that each team member gets a Nothing Phone 3A Pro and a certificate, and second runner up will be getting each team member gets a Nothing Phone 3A and a certificate. So you can see this is a competition as a both cash rewards and as well as amazing gadgets of the Nothing. Okay, there are some of the more important terms and the conditions that you must have to keep in mind. That is, nothing decision is everything will be in the final. So event structure, format and dates can be changed at any time, so make sure you must have to see regularly this and stop website link, then you will be getting to know what the updates are going on. So if you miss the submission deadlines or your team will be disqualified from the competition, make sure you submit all the projects, all the ideas on time before the deadline only. So all the work you have, whatever that you have been created up like presentations, plans, videos or any ideas which is like belong to you, Nothing only. Okay, so Nothing can use your photos, videos or content for the promotional purpose as well. Okay, these are some of the terms and conditions. Here you can just read it out, all of them mentioned over here. So make sure you read each and everything, then if you agree about these terms and conditions and you don't have any problem, then you can go with the registration part. And at last I just told you that some of the important tips that will help you out, that is, uh, keep your idea simple but creative. So this is the first thing I just want to tell you, that don't try to make it too complicated, keep it very simple and some of the uniqueness you had in the thing, and always focus on how your idea makes the technology fun for the people. That's the theme that what the Nothing Incubator 2025 is motive all about. So make your financial practical, like don't just put a random big number, put the number that which has affects that real values in the real world. Okay, and practice your grand finale pitch, like you will be getting a 3 minutes video or 3 minutes, you have the time where you will be pitching your idea about what is the idea is all about. So be sharp and confident. Okay, so friends, that was everything that you need to know about this Nothing Incubator 2025. So this is a golden chance for the students, so you can win a cash, phone, certificate and even a career opportunity at the Nothing company. So now tell me in the comments that if you got this chance and how would you make the technology fun again. I'm waiting to see your ideas in the comment box. So if this video help you, if you if this video helped you, press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to Opportunity on for more updates, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your competition.